Most people spend their lives looking in the rearview mirror when it comes to their bank accounts. They want to know exactly how much they blew on takeout last Friday or why the grocery bill was so high. But there is a tool out of New Zealand that has been quietly operating since 2008 with a completely different philosophy. It is called PocketSmith. It has stayed independent for 17 years. That is an eternity in the tech world. They do not sell your data. They do not run ads. They do not have some hidden agenda to push credit cards on you. It is a pure subscription model. While everyone else is talking about the flashy new apps that just hit the market, this veteran has been building a massive engine under the hood. We are talking about bank feeds from over 14,000 institutions in nearly 50 countries. That is a staggering number for a bootstrapped company. Most of us struggle to keep track of 2 or 3 accounts, but this system handles global multi-currency setups with live conversion rates. The real magic is not just the tracking, it is the forecasting. Most finance apps tell you where the money went. This one tells you where it is going for the next 60 years. You can look at a calendar and see what your balance might be on a Tuesday in the middle of your retirement. It maps out your daily account balances based on your current habits and scheduled bills. You see the impact of a big purchase before you even swipe the card. It is like having a crystal ball for your net worth. It goes deeper than anything else on the market right now. Even the big names that everyone loves do not offer this level of granular future planning. But it is not all sunshine. The pricing is definitely on the higher side. You're looking at a significant monthly commitment if you want the full experience. One of the biggest hurdles is how they count your connections. They limit the number of institutions you can link rather than just the individual accounts. If you have accounts scattered across 5 or 6 different banks, you will hit a paywall very quickly. The free version is also quite limited. You do not get the automatic feeds and your projection window is cut way down. You have to be ready to commit before you really feel the full power of that 60-year engine. This is not for the person who just wants a simple nudge to stop buying expensive coffee. This is for the person who wants to engineer their entire financial life. It is for the person who wants to see the ripple effect of every single dollar. If you are tired of just looking at the past and want to start modeling your future, this is the powerhouse you have been looking for. It is a deep, complex, and incredibly rewarding tool for those who are serious about their wealth. You just have to decide if that long-term vision is worth the premium price tag. It is a rare beast in a world of apps that just want to sell your attention to the highest bidder. Knowing which kind of user you are is the only way to decide if the investment makes sense for your goals. It really is the most powerful personal finance app that most people have never heard of.